Setting up of S-series tents. Put the oblique beam of S-series tents king tower of the set walls on the ground. Pay attention to handle materials with care. Connect the pedestal of the ground chair to the king tower and fix with bolts. Connect the connection cone of the ridge to the oblique beams of both sides and fix with bolts. Connect the connection cone of the eave to another side of king tower of the set walls, and connect the king tower of the set walls to another set of connection cone of the eave and fix with bolts. After all the instructions are staked, hold firmly by special men after erecting the first group of frames, and then erect the second group of frame. Connect two groups of erected frames with reinforced beam and install eave square tubes. Then hitch the hook end of the eave square tubes into the buckles of the eave connection cone. Erect the following unit frames and hitch the strict hook end of the grave square tubes into the eave connection cone buckles of another group of frame. The installation of the next unit of roofing square tubes goes on like that. Take care that a group of reinforced beam must be installed every another 3 units. Connect the pedestal of the chassis to the center post of the gable. Insert the end with strict handle of the center post of the gable into buckles of the ridge connection cone, and the buckles penetrate the holes of the strict handle to clamp on the buckles. Then hitch one end with lock end of left and right suspended tubes, and another end into the buckles of the eave connection cone will be okay. The other side of the left and right suspended tubes will be installed according to the same method. There are 4 kinds of fixing methods for S-series tents. First, take the weight of supporting tray to fix. Align the assumed blind pedestal hole of king tower with the square holes on the supporting tray and fasten with bolts and gasket. Press on the supporting tray with heavy object not less than 200 kg and cover the bearing cover after pressing. 2. Use expansion bolt to fix. Connect the assumed blind pedestal hole of king tower to the cement ground with expansion bolts, and the cement thickness of the cement ground is not less than 15 cm. Each of the chassis of the pedestal used to expansion bolts. Third, use steel chassis to fix. Connect assumed blind pedestal hole of king tower to the ground with steel chassis, with the pointed end of which corresponds to the holes on the pedestal. Knocked into the bottom by hammer with twin floor to fix. Connect the ground steel frame to the lower end of the king tower at first and fix with squares, and then pressing the bearing floor on the ground steel frame and lay the bearing floor completely and leveling. Slide the buckles of the corresponding awning into the grooves of the suspending tubes. Then penetrate the slab on the both sides of awning into the grooves of the king tower. Insert the rock structure rod into the special force of the both sides of the awning. Connect the connecting short rod to rock structure rod. Then insert the eave square rod into the corresponding holes on the connection cone or connection rod. Then fasten the eave square rod to tighten the awning. Insert the rack stretch rod into the special folds of the both sides of the awning. Connect the connecting short rod to rack stretch rod. Then insert the eighth square rod into the corresponding holes on the connection corn or connection rod. Then fasten the eighth square rod to tighten the awning. The installation of the roofing awnings and set wall awning of the following units is the same with those of the first unit.